Hi guys, welcome back. Tuesday morning market video analytics. We are here with the New Zealand versus the Canadian. This is the daily chart, and if this sounds familiar to you, that's mostly because we were very much involved on the upside here in the previous bullish campaign that I've pulled out completely just a few days ago. Right? We started with identifying this really impressive head and shoulders pattern, right? Inverse head and shoulders pattern, right on the bottom key level, very, very important key level of a huge setup coming from the monthly chart. That's the level of 83.65. Right from the construction of the right shoulder, that's pretty much where we took action. And we did ride out the whole move up until a few days ago when price began to pull back a little bit. I was actually mostly concerned about the fact that we were having 450 pip, and I wanted to lock in. I wanted to protect that profit, and my main concern was of a significant downside correction that could potentially go all the way to 88.56 again, the same level that got broken. That was a very, very important event, an important milestone. So I was mostly concerned about a retest to that level, which would mean an pretty intense downside correction. I didn't want to jeopardize the profit that was made up until that point. Now I've reanalyzed the situation, and I've come to the conclusion that downside correction I was mostly concerned about is probably just a slight sideways correction. That's how it looks like right now, guys. I was able to pinpoint what's going on from this local price action with my blue system here representing a lower scale trading range. Take a look. We got the first leg followed by the second. I'm mostly impressed by the third leg because it went straight to the bottom key level 90.70 and quickly turned around to what seems to be the fourth leg being constructed as we speak. So price will probably reach the upper section again. Now, like I said, I think price is resuming to the original upside trend. Nevertheless, there's a good chance that it will continue trade sideways for a while. So we might expect another downside leg, and only then we'll have the breakout and the continuation of the original trend. So we're going back to the old price target, the same price target we were aiming for in the previous bullish campaign. So we got out a little bit before the final destination, 94.06. Now that's according to the bigger picture. Take a look at that. This is the monthly chart. This is a very impressive trading range that you can track back to the beginning of 2014. Now we came from the very lowest, from the very edge, right, the very bottom of that system, and I expect price to continue all the way to the higher section, eventually reaching the very minimum level right here, 94.06. Now that was the old price target, but I have decided to use another price target, which is a bit more ambitious. That's actually 100 pip above the 94.06. You can find the 95.10. Now the 95.10, I'm going to be honest here, I'm going to try to catch that price target, but I'm definitely going to be very cautious once we reach 94.06, because that could be a strong resistance. But just from according to the nature of the recent low we had here, I'm talking about this low where we came from, which took by a huge margin the low before that, right, the previous low. So I suspect that price will do the same on the way up and grab the previous high, which is why I'm going to try to chase price all the way to 95.10. All right, so that's pretty much the game plan. Stop loss level is at 0.90, and we'll take it from here. Obviously, I'll follow up and keep you posted. In the meantime, I'll say goodbye, and we'll see you in the next video.